Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recall the message on Outlook. Alright, open Outlook and go to Send Items. Double click on your message. You can see this window or this one, okay? So just click here or click here, recall this message. You can delete unread copies or delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Don't forget to check this box. Click OK and just type replacing, for example, and send. That's all. Keep in mind that you can only recall messages that haven't been read. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. Thanks.